Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are showing you how to prepare green mince curry or Hara Masala Mutton Keema. Doesn't this dish look very delicious and tempting? So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for the Green Masala Paste, and these are the other ingredients. The method: add all the ingredients for the Green Masala Paste to a grinding jar. Add the required amount of water and grind the ingredients into a fine paste. Heat oil in a pressure cooker, then add in the onions, curry leaves and the salt, and fry until the onions turn light brown. Add in the chopped tomatoes and fry. Cover and cook on low heat until the tomatoes become soft, then open and continue to fry. Add in the ground masala paste and fry. Cover and cook on low heat for a couple of minutes. This is very important. Open and fry the masala well. When the masala has been well fried, add in the mince and fry the mince until it changes color. Add quarter cup of water. Optionally, you could rinse the grinding jar with the same quarter cup of water before adding it. Close and cook for 1 whistle. Caution: check that all the steam has been naturally released before opening the pressure cooker. Add in the dried fenugreek leaves, aromatic salt, tamarind water, potatoes, peas and green chillies. Optionally, taste and add sugar and lemon juice to adjust it to your liking. Add required amount of water to adjust the consistency again to your liking. Cover and cook on low heat until the potatoes are cooked. Adjust the taste by adding salt, green chilies and lemon juice only if required. Garnish with green coriander and ginger juliennes. Optionally, for that punch, you could also add some roasted cumin seed powder and mint sauce to taste. It is best served with pulao rice and salad, or any other accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Do hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.